For women who are trying to gracefully transition into later stages of life, the sheer number of diet options are dizzying, and not all of them are good for your health. Many women over 50 are looking for diets to support heart or brain function, help control menopause symptoms, or boost their overall health. Here are 5 of the best diets for women over 50. Number 1. Best all around, the Mediterranean diet. A Mediterranean diet is consistently rated as one of the healthiest eating patterns for almost anyone, including women over 50. Based on the eating patterns of people in Greece and southern Italy in the 1960s, this diet is characterized by its low saturated fat content. It primarily comprises vegetables, legumes, fruit, nuts, and whole grains. And it features olive oil as the primary source of fat. Although this diet is predominantly plant-based, it also includes moderate amounts of fish and dairy, as well as small quantities of eggs, poultry, and red meat. Decades of research demonstrate that this diet reduces your risk of various chronic age-related illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and mental decline. Number 2. Best for heart health, the DASH diet. According to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), heart disease is one of the leading causes of death for women over 50. What's more, rate of high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease, increased significantly after the onset of menopause. The dietary approaches to stop hypertension, DASH diet is designed to prevent and treat high blood pressure, also called hypertension. Number 3. Best plant-based, the flexitarian diet. The flexitarian diet is a semi-vegetarian plan that's predominantly plant-based but occasionally includes meat, eggs, dairy, and fish. This eating pattern is currently most popular among women who are reducing their intake of meat for health, animal welfare, or environmental reasons. The flexitarian diet is a great option for anyone interested in boosting their intake of fiber and plant protein, who also recognizes the nutritional value of animal products and wants to eat them as needed. The Australian longitudinal study on women's health suggested that strict vegetarians and vegans are at a greater risk of insufficient intake of nutrients like iron and omega-3 fats, which are important for women's health. Number 4. Best for brain health, the MIND diet. Age and sex are primarily risk factors for dementia, the prevalence of which is significantly greater in women than men. In fact, roughly 2/3 of people with Alzheimer's disease, the most common form of dementia, are women. The MIND diet was developed to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other types of age-related mental decline. MIND is an acronym for Mediterranean DASH intervention for neurodegenerative delay. As the name implies, it combines elements of the Mediterranean and DASH diets that have been shown to support brain health. For more videos, you must subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.